For today's video mga kabyokoneras, narito ang latest sa mundo ng beauty pageant sa nalalapit na Grand Coronation Night ng Miss Universe Philippines 2025. Narito ang aking personal top 5 candidate na pasok for the final hot pick from Quezon Province, Atesa Manalo, to win Miss Universe Philippines 2025. Miss Iliana Marie Anduana as Miss Supranational 2025 winner. Winwin Marquez as Miss Eco International winner 2025. Chelsea Fernandez as Miss Charm. And Katrina Liegaro as Miss Cosmo International 2025. Sa inyong palagay, who do you think is your final top 5? Narito ating panuorin.
Byokoneras, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa aming mga bagong videos.